Within this past week, I've learned more about how to easily find the different components of an article through class discussions. I've realized that on my own, like reading at home or looking at research articles, I can become easily confused. But then after classroom discussions, it's easier for me to understand. I continue to look for vocabulary words in my articles that I've learned while reading Macmillan. These are words that we've learned in class that now I see popping up in my articles. I always thought that there was always one major purpose to a research study, but by reading the chapter assignments in Macmillan, I've come to realize that especially non-experimental studies, they could have more than one. I also never realized how a graph or chart could distort the findings on a study. Just the visual aspects of the data can change how a person views the findings. The challenges that I've faced within the past week have included having difficulty understanding the information that is included in my research articles. I am especially having difficulty following the charts that list the different components of the study, the actual findings. I can read the conclusion, but when I look at the actual numbers, it can become overwhelming or it can also become confusing. I have found additional articles for my topic, but I still feel like I'm missing key information for my lit review project. At first, while reading the article, I think that it will be very beneficial to my lit review, but then after I read it, I still feel like there's something missing. That key information that I was looking for is still missing. It didn't give enough information. I'm also struggling with where to start with writing my lit review. I am learning more about how to use the different databases online to conduct my research. I never realized the depth of information that was actually out there on different topics. Because when I find one article, then I'll go back and research something that was cited. There's just a whole trail of information. In the following week, I plan to continue to work on my lit review project one step at a time so that I am not overwhelmed with it.